It's all true, right? We're just waiting for Jesus to wake up. It's gonna be exciting, dude. We're all going to heaven. Well, I'm going to heaven.
RaptureTok began in late August 2025, when small religious prophecy videos about a coming rapture quietly surfaced on TikTok.
If any of this is real, I will see all of you in hell in a few days.
Within weeks, the niche clips spiraled into a viral trend, fueled by the internet's favorite accelerant, fear.
Why don't you shut your godforsaken heathen mouth? Don't be mad at me because you're not going to heaven.
End-of-the-world theories always go viral, since they don't come around often. Soon, creators were monetizing the wave through the Creator Fund, live stream donations, and affiliate links to survival kits, canned goods, and even parody rapture insurance. Meme accounts joins in too, turning the apocalypse into punchlines and profits. When memes sell high, the punchline is always worth the price, wouldn't you agree? Side hustles sprang up, from eBay listings for post-rapture insurance to services like after the rapture pet care, while survival gear ads saw a spike in traffic. Underneath it all, platforms profit from extreme emotional content, like Y2K or the Mayan 2012 prophecy. RaptureTok shows how end times panic doubles as cultural entertainment, except this time Gen Z treats it half as a joke, half as prophecy. Which raises the real question, is RaptureTok just harmless memes or proof that even the apocalypse can be turned into side hustle? So what do you think about RaptureTok? Stay tuned for more meme content, and don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoyed this video. Comment down below what meme should I break down next.